In this video, we'll discuss about lose weight like a pro, insider secrets for lasting results. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and health, specifically focusing on how to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Firstly, let's clarify that there's no quick fix to lasting weight loss. The key is patience and consistency. It takes time and effort to create a lasting change. So, don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of losing weight like a pro. Eat right. A healthy diet is crucial. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. Limit processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. 2. Hydrate. Drink water consistently throughout the day. It helps in digestion and metabolism. 3. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be walking, running, swimming, or any activity that gets your heart rate up. 4. Sleep well. Getting enough sleep is vital for your overall health and can help with weight loss too. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night. 5. Manage stress. Stress can trigger emotional eating and overeating, which can lead to weight gain or hinder weight loss efforts. So, find a healthy way to manage stress, like yoga or meditation, etc. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Your journey towards a healthier you will take time to. Stay dedicated to these tips and enjoy the journey. I appreciate your time watching this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might need some guidance on their fitness journey too. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this one. Until next time, keep striving towards your fitness goals.